Jared Taylor, Brisbane, Commercial Hockey Club, Queensland under 21s. Happy days.
You all right, mate?
Yeah, bud.
That's poor, mate. Come on. Renee would have had a shot by now.
Oh, mate.
That's filth. That's filth.
Back through the
Still
goal.
going, mate. Come on.
JT.
Sonia would have been killing it.
Miss.
Oh.
That was disgusting. Yeah. Went too quick through the old jinx and lost it, obviously.
Despite the fumble at the top of the circle, 28 seconds.
This should be a strong suit, mate. Time to shine, eh?
Please.
Oh, mate, that was pus.
Pass.
Bit more to the right, champ. Oh,
That go in?
no, mate. Renee needs to teach you a few things.
Oh. Jesus. Oh, come back. Didn't go.
Oh, mate. Stop flicking was your game.
Nah, I'm just used to throwing it in people's general vicinity and they chase it down, so
Sorry, nothing, no score.
0. No dice, oh well.
It's time to step it up, mate. Show us why you're here. Don't drop it, JT. Don't drop it, mate. Don't drop it. With ease, mate.
Yeah, it was a bit sketchy there for a bit. But all good.
It was a good effort, JT. 9 seconds.
9 seconds. Beautiful. Fastest 50 metres I've ever run.
Got high standards to keep up.
Yeah, hopefully I can hit the ball straight.
Yeah, I've seen you hit the ball, mate. It doesn't look too promising.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, JT, good start,
Ooh,
mate.
yeah.
You're starting to win back the love of your parents.
I've got a long way to go.
Oh, Jared, 2 from 2, champ.
Oh, got him.
Last one, mate. Let's make it count. Come on.
4.
Let's go, mate. Yeah, JT. Well done, mate.
Thanks so much.
Yeah, nice.
It was a top effort. 3 out of 5 shots hit the target, 6 points.
Beautiful. Just going to try and get as many through the middle as I can and go for the points.
No, the
Worry
points,
about
not
the
really
time.
worrying.
Nah,
Nice, mate. That's good technique.
Just got a plan, Blake, you know.
That's good, mate. You just stick that.
Yeah. Oh,
Buddy. What happened to those up close ones, mate?
just got too confident.
Too confident, start hooking it.
Yeah, can't shoot. I'm a fullback, mate. I don't shoot.
Pretty obvious.
Yeah, but he's good at the drag flicking. 40 seconds and 5 points.
Beautiful.
Well done.
Good at the drag flicking, that's a bit of